Good afternoon, all you toy fans out there. I am the Great Canadian Explorer, your host, Ryan, and I am here at the Toy and Nostalgia Show here in Toronto, Ontario on Sunday, December the 3rd, 2023. It's about 3:40, so there's about 20 minutes left, so hopefully I can get in and check out and see if there's any great deals inside or whatnot. So let's just switch the camera view. So I kind of got here a little bit late, so wanted to get here earlier, but let's hopefully we can check things out and see what's what. Because I know a lot of the booths are closing up, so there might not be a lot of stuff still open. Hopefully we can get some of the views, see what's what. Try and get as much covered as I can. For you guys. Sorry. Everybody has to be out by a certain time, so that's why everybody's rushing to clean up. How's it going?
Hey, boss, where were you?
Newmarket,
Oh, what's the new market?
another convention.
Is it busy?
A little bit, yeah. So was another wrestler. So I had to pick and choose. So
I wondered what happened. I was going to call this in person.
I'm here now, though. Yeah. I know. I was in Newmarket earlier today.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone closed up early today.
Yeah, I'm trying to get around, just catching everybody right now. So
You'll get a bunch of clips.
yeah, I got some. So looks like they're already closed up. Fortunately, a lot of people have already closed up, so let's see if I can get some footage of some of the cool stuff here. Hulkbuster Iron Man. Nice Hot Wheels. Beetlejuice. Buck Rogers in there. Nice. Pop vinyls.
This morning, somewhere else?
Yeah, Newmarket. Yeah, so
That's alright.
trying to get everything before everybody packs up and yeah. think everybody's packed up on this side, so I guess we can.
Sorry, brother. I'm sorry, man.
No, it's okay. Let's just head back down this way. It's okay. I have a lot of hockey figures on this table. Nice.
Okay, I can do that. Yeah. No. No, that like, cause I'm not a master.
Devastator. Got a Voltron in here. At the lightsaber booth.
Oh, 116. I know it is. Hey, Chris.
Figure out.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how's it going?
How you?
Yeah, I'm a little late I know I'm a little late today.
I was wondering where you were.
Newmarket for their con.
Oh, yeah, it's true. They have one in the market today.
Yeah, kind of.
Actually, there's three because there's one in Lancaster too.
Yeah, I couldn't get. There was no way I was able to get to Ancaster.
Yeah, you did it.
Like, so I decided to go to Newmarket first, and
How was it in the market?
it's pretty good.
Bigger than this?
No, a little. It was half the size of this one, but they had the wrestler there, Luke Ronan,
I don't know. I don't know.
one of the Wyatt family members.
Got it.
Yeah, he
I
was.
don't know where it is.
Yeah, he was there. So I went there first to try and get
That's cool.
some stuff there, and then came here. I just got here a little late. So
Yeah, I know. I saw
So-
we saw you when we were coming. Like,
yeah. So I
how
was,
was he?
yeah, I was trying to get as much footage as I can before.
Man, better late than never.
Yeah, I got at least half before everybody packed up.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's tough when everybody packs up. It's like you guys are forced to pack up early.
Did you see the Thor we brought in?
The throw over here?
No, all the way to the end.
Oh, it's at the figure? Or?
Yeah, no, the pop.
Oh, nah. It's the pop vinyl. Nice.
That is hilarious. That is
Yeah.
He's the best. Korg is the best character.
I loved him in the movies. He was just hilarious, especially when during the scene when he was the exact scene when he was being made fun of by I think it was like an 8-year-old kid,
Yep.
and Thor got on the phone and
Yep.
razzed him and all that
He's
stuff.
amazing, dude.
Yeah,
He's a meek.
yeah, that's a cool pop vinyl.
It is, man.
Yeah. So
Like we don't have a lot of non-anime very often, but
Yeah.
when I saw that, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
we gotta get it. We gotta
Yeah.
sell this.
yeah,
You know?
sometimes the unique ones are the best ones to get. So
Yes, exactly.
so. I'm glad I was able to come in and get some of the stuff. So.
And this one also new. We got it 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So basically,
Oh,
surprise.
the blind boxes. Yeah.
Yeah, the lime blocks. This is
Yeah.
the Picky Mini.
Yeah. I always loved getting some of the blind boxes from Japan
Yeah.
because it's like so much fun to actually.
Yep. We got it last week from Japan.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
We only sell
Le-
imported.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
that, right?
Oh yeah. So.
Same with the price figures.
Yeah.
People see price figures this size for more than $30,
Yeah.
walk away. Right?
Yeah,
Don't buy
'cause-
with us because people sell these like $50,
I know.
45
Oh,
bucks.
because they're adding on the import fee and
Yes.
yeah,
I import this the same.
yeah,
They're
But-
gouging. They're gouging. They make like 3 times the value.
Yeah.
Like this for $50 is obscene.
I've been to Japan, so it's like I know the prices. So it's like when I see them, I know certain prices. It was
So
like
am I
no,
off?
15 now because it's about
25.
yeah. Usually that's about it's between 2,000 yen to 25,000 yen per the figure. So it's like
Right?
yeah, over there.
Right?
So sometimes it's a little bit yes, but
The
yeah,
same stuff that I'm selling for like $30, people selling for 50.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude.
Yeah.
You know?
So,
But anyways,
yeah,
it is what it is, right?
yeah. That's why I kind of like coming to your booths, checking out to see what you got.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Online, we know we have. I told you before.
Yeah.
Online, we have so much more stuff.
Yeah.
Like this is nothing. This is like compared to what we have.
Yeah,
Like,
that's why everybody has to go check you guys out online. So
Yes,
that's,
please.
yes,
Yes, go check us out online.
yeah.
We appreciate the.
Because you guys do shipping as well, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Ship
yes.
all over Canada.
Yeah,
Do we have free shipping now or not?
yeah. It'll be posted online.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We'll
yeah,
we'll check.
yeah.
All right, man.
No problem.
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
You take care. Eh?
You too. Bye. Well, that was the Toronto Toy and Nostalgia Show here in Toronto, Ontario, by Downsview Park. Fortunately, I wish I could have gotten here earlier so that you guys could have seen it better. So let's just change the view and sign off for you guys, okay? So that was the Toronto Toy Show and Nostalgia Show here in Toronto, Ontario. I wish I was able to get more of the booths before everybody was taking them down, but unfortunately, based on the transit system coming from Newmarket earlier today, I wasn't able to get here until 20 minutes to. Things happen, especially when you're relying on the public transit, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was still up and available. Thanks for coming along with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, The Great Canadian Explorer, and hit that notification button to get notified of future videos like this one, where the cons are completely set up and all the booths are ready to go. So until then, I am the Great Canadian Explorer, your host Ryan, and I will see you in the future videos. Until next time, have a great day.